Hi everyone, in this video I will show an important CSS property called clip path CSS property, which is meant for to clip an image, meaning that if you would like to make some part of the image to be hide and some part of the image to be visible to the customer or to the user, then I can go for a clip path property, which is very easy, so that we can make various kind of shapes for an image. Like for example, I would like to display my image as in the form of a circle, then I can go for simply clip path property, where it is going to accept various kind of methods. Like for example, circle is a kind of method to display our clipped image in the form of a circle. Ellipse is a kind of method to display our image in the form of an ellipse. Or if you want to have various kind of other shapes, then I can have a polygon method. For other shapes means, for example, let me take a rectangle, four sides. I need to define the four sides properties. Yeah, for that we can go for the polygon method. So most of the cases we are going to use polygon method. For example, I'm going to have a triangle shape, then I can go for triangle shape. Or I would like to have my own thing. Okay, then also we can go for this kind of shapes. Yeah, so with the help of this polygon method I can able to define various kind of shapes. So what I will do is, I will take a simple example which will clearly explain this entire clip path property. So what I will do is, I will take one division. Yes, and I'm going to take some kind of it as a parent, nothing. And for this what I will do is, I'm going to add the image to this division. Yeah, first let me have height of 500 pixel and width of 500 pixel. I would like to add my background image. So background, I'm going to use the shorten property URL of uh, having, I think, some image. Yes, I can able to add this one. Yeah, v.png, v.png. I can able to define the background size, uh, 500 pixel by 500 pixel. Yes, we got an image. I would like to align to the center. So, so this division is kind of black color element, right? So I can able to apply the margin property towards the value, like automatically it will send, make it align to the center. Yeah, fine. Now for this image, I would like to apply various kind of shapes. Various kind of shapes. So what I can do, I can use a property called clip path property. Here you can observe clip path property. For example, I would like to make in the form of a circle, where that circle is in the form of 80%. Observe. Yeah, I'll go with 50%, so that it will be applied. If you go with all the other also, but you won't observe that. Yes, observe corners you are getting, clipping the corners. Yeah, if you go for 50%, so I think you have seen in this border radius also. If you go for 50%, then you can visualize it in the form of a circle. Visualize it in the form of circle. Yeah, like this you can get. Or if you want to go for an ellipse size, you can go for that. Yeah, so here I will give you one website where you can usually uh, get this kind of images. Yeah, Bennetly. Yeah, so bennetfreely.com is a kind of website where you will have various kind of shapes. So here you can observe, if you want to get in the form of a triangle, here you can adjust this. For example, I would like to get in the form of a triangle. If you adjust here, automatically at the bottom of this here, you can, these values are modified. Values are modified. I don't want that. I would like to have in the form of a triangle. Then I can copy this code and I can paste it on my. You can visualize that here. Yeah, it will look like in the form of a triangle. Yeah, my requirement is I would like to hit in the form of an ellipse, right? Yeah. So here you can have that. Yes. ellipse code is here. You can copy that. You can paste. Yes, it look like an ellipse. Yeah. So like this, we can have various kind of shapes. Like for example, I want to have a cross symbol, a close symbol, close symbol. I can copy this. Uh, I can paste here. I can paste. It will look like I have. Like for example, I would like to have my own name like J. Then I can able to adjust this in the form of a J, in the form of a J, so that the image will look like in the form. See, automatically the border, the properties are changing in the border. So it's not exact shape. I'm trying my best to get the symbol J. Yeah, of course. So assume that this is a kind of a J. So I will copy this entire thing, this entire code, and I will paste it on my code. You can observe now it will be converted in form of a J. Yeah. Like this, we can use this clip path property to make various kind of shapes. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.